something so important: how to make a corridor and how to calculate the volume, net volume. Let's get started. Just as usual, just going to this, then make setting to be an area where I want to do this, which is WGS 84, zone 40 north, 40 north, okay. The first thing, we would need to get points from the Excel file, so we're gonna get it. Go to the insert or click the point creation tool, then going to the file, airport, which is PMEZ B point number, northing, easting, point elevations. Okay, I got all the points right here. Let's double click, scroll. Here we go. We just got all the points. We're gonna make point group new. It would be like ground level. Existing ground, EG. We would like point list, include. I would need to choose it from here. I would choose all the points, enter. We just get all the number, the point. Okay. So we make it in the one group. Now I would like to make surface out of this point group. First thing, I would like to make right click properties. I would like just to make none here. Yeah, it's just points. I would like to make surface out of the point group. Surface name, existing ground, surface. Okay. Then I would like to embed, give them point group, EG. Okay. Here we go. I got surface. This surface, we just made it out of the point group, out of the points. Here it is. This is the surfaces. Conceptual. This is the surface. It looks great. We're gonna make grading for this area. Let's just save this one. Corridor 1. Now we're gonna hide all these points. We don't need it anymore. Hide it. It still exists, but it has been hidden. All what I got here is just contours and surface. Now I would like to make grading over this area so that it would be be flat area. The first thing I would like to make some rectangle. I'm gonna make another rectangles. Rectangle for grading and another rectangle just for map export colors. You're gonna figure it out later. Sounds great. Now let's just know the statistic about this surfaces so that we can know exactly like the mean elevations. The mean elevation is 42. I'm going to make it like 42 for grading. 42. Feature lines just 3D objects. I would like to make this to be feature line. Elevation 42. 42. Okay. Now we got this alignment, this feature line, which is 3D objects. Let's figure out how it looks like. This is the feature lines. It's just going through the surfaces. It is going through the surfaces. This gives us ability to just control over these surfaces. It's great. Now I'm going to make a grading. Grading group 1. Okay. I would need to make grade to surface. Grade grading. Select the grading site outside. Yes. Slope. Yes, 2 to 1. Slope 2 to 1. Great. I just got grading. Now I'm gonna make infill. Great. It has to be something like this for infill, otherwise it doesn't work. Let's just see the new grading surface. This is a new grading surface. It is new. It has cut and fill. It has cut and fill. Now let's just see together the grading surface with the original surface. This is together, the grading one and the existing one. But I would like to get them together. Yeah, this is together, the graded one and the previous one. I would like to make them to be merged in one surfaces, so that it would be one surfaces, or this would be cut in. I have to just create another surface, third surfaces. We're gonna call it create surfaces, total surface. I'm gonna call it total surface. Then total surface definition test surface, existing one, EGS, okay, then test grading group 1. Here we go, we just got new surfaces. Total surface, select surface, then going to Gallery Viewer, and we got new merged surfaces, together surface. This is together surfaces. It looks great. It has cut and fill at the same time. It has cut and fill. It has cut and fill. Great. It looks great. Now let's go to the analyze to get base surface, existing one, and comparison one is grading group 1. I got this report for cut and fill. This is the report for the cut and fill report. It is cut and fill. Scale it up. We're gonna scale it up. This is cut and fill. The next steps right now is to make alignment for our roads. I got this alignment. Then I do profile for this one. There is two types of the profile. It is surface profile and design profile. This is the surface profile. Then we will make design profile. just draw the profile. Now I'm gonna make assembly, create assembly, control, yeah, this is basic lane. Then carbon getter, then we make that. Then we make mirror for this. Done. For this one, I would like to make extend. Here we go. I just make this assembly. I'm gonna make some circle over it. Now I would make a corridor. Corridor. Alignment. Total. Okay. Okay. I just got new corridor. Here we go. Corridor. Let's go to the object viewer. So this is what we got for our corridor. It looks great. I would like to choose so as you see there is like more than one surfaces right here, but our surface is called total surface. I'm gonna choose it select the surface. Then I'm going to choose my corridor to show it, to visualize it. Here we go. We got surface and corridor. I'm gonna view it as a shaded. We got surfaces, we got roads. Sounds great. It's now like ready corridor. I'm going to make some parcels around this corridor. Digital. The first thing I'm going to hide all the surfaces so that it is easy for me to draw parcel lines. Border already. Okay, here we go. Now let's just draw polyline. Arc. Line. Arc. Line. Enter. Now I'm going to make offset line through. It's going to be here for the second one. I'm gonna delete this one. Now I'm gonna make offset like for 30 meters. Both for this and this 30 meters. I'm gonna close both. Enter, 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 enter. Now I'm gonna join all these lines to be one shapes. I got one shapes right here. نروح باكر. ايوه في الليل. Now I'm gonna make parcels for this one. Where is it? From object. The first one, enter. Okay. Oh my god. Control Z. Then parcels from object. Then I'm gonna make parcels tool. I'm gonna make parcels for this guy. Do I like it? Yes, I like it. But would you like? Yeah, here you go. Yes, I like it. So I got parcels right here. Same thing for here. Do I like it? For this one? So now I would like to save it first. Hello guys. Let's just we make parcels for all this stuff. I'm gonna make another parcel right here. Yes, we got it. Now we're gonna make something important right here. Gonna make another style properties, but we're gonna copy it, fill it, composition, copy color selection, one, where's the mask? Background mask here, true, okay. It looks much better. I'm gonna make match for all these guys. Great. So I make parcels and I make corridor. Now I'm gonna save it so that I could be if I open it in the real world location, it would be like this. Yeah, it would be like this. This is our corridor. Now I have to save it, then open new pages in InfraWorks.
just released a new artificial intelligence, and it just had a huge effect on the US stock market and even crypto.
The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused on competing to win.
China's latest AI breakthrough has leapfrogged the world.
I think we should take the development out of China very, very seriously.
A game-changing move that does not come from OpenAI, Google, or Meta,
There is a new model that has all of the valley buzzing.
but from a Chinese lab called DeepSeek.
It's opened a lot of eyes on like what is actually happening in AI in China.
What took Google and OpenAI years and hundreds of millions of dollars to build, DeepSeek says took it just 2 months and less than $6 million.
Now, this is not just another tech gadget or a new meme coin. It's something so much more powerful. Mark Andreessen, who's one of the most respected names in venture capitalism.
So I'm going to open new pages right here. I'm gonna give it UTM 40. No, that's it. I'm gonna save it. Cheers, Twitter. Corridor. One. Okay. It has to be the same coordination system zone, which is WGS 8440 North.
It's one of the most amazing things he's ever seen, and it's now available for everyone to use. So, what is it, and what can it do?
A newly unveiled, free, open-source AI model that beats some of the most powerful ones on the market. But it wasn't a new launch from OpenAI or a model announcement from Anthropic. This one was built in the East by a Chinese research lab called DeepSeek.
And it turns out its capabilities are pretty mind-blowing. Imagine an AI that can build entire video games from scratch, even if it has to use programming language it wasn't originally trained on. It can do that. Imagine an AI that can extract just the reasoning from complex data sets to solve problems with super sharp precision. It can do that. Imagine an AI that thinks in real time, adapting to new information as it comes in while telling you its logic. It can do that.
Here we go. We just get it is like from scratch. It's blank, empty. Now I'm gonna import my Exel 3D file, which is corridor. Open. All what I want to get right here is just corridor, total surface. Okay. Configure.
An AI that can also scrape data from YouTube channels, analyze trends, and potentially predict what's going to go viral next.
Here we go. I got the surfaces, total surfaces with my roads. This is my roads. This is the roads that I built. Looks great. Now I would like to export parcels. Parcels. I'm gonna export my parcels. but I want to export later the parcels. Okay. 11222. Then I'm gonna go to the InfraWorks to get it. It's all here. Those the parcels. نعم. جاهز؟ أي. Here we go. We just get process for this place. We're gonna get it from another place. Great, I got my parcels done. Now the final stage, which is just for rendering, we're gonna make rendering for this area and we're gonna look at after that.